Cooking is an art, and the right cookware can turn your kitchen into a culinary masterpiece. The Simply Calphalon Nonstick Cookware set is not just a set of pots and pans. It's a testament to quality, performance, and affordability. In this review, we'll explore the features that make this 10-piece set a must-have for every kitchen, from its durable construction to its user-friendly design. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications. Unveiling Simply Calphalon Nonstick Cookware. For those who seek quality without breaking the bank, Simply Calphalon Nonstick Cookware is a revelation. Designed with a commitment to durability and performance, this cookware set brings the essence of Calphalon style to your kitchen. The hard-anodized aluminum construction ensures fast and even heating, delivering consistent results every time you cook. Effortless cooking and cleanup. Cooking should be a joy, not a chore. The two-layer non-stick interior of Simply Calphalon Nonstick Cookware is a game-changer. It prevents food from sticking, making your cooking experience smoother and cleanup a breeze. No more struggling with stubborn residues or spending excessive time scrubbing pans. This cookware set is designed for those who appreciate efficiency in the kitchen. Stay Cool Stainless Steel Handles. The thoughtful design of Simply Calphalon includes Stay Cool handles made of contoured, cast stainless steel with silicone for added comfort and heat resistance. Say goodbye to the need for oven mitts and enjoy the convenience of handling hot cookware directly on the stovetop. Sauces pour effortlessly from the pans, and the overall cooking experience is elevated with these user-friendly handles. Versatile 10-piece set for every cooking need. Included in the Simply Calphalon Hard-Anodized Nonstick 10-piece set are essential pieces that cater to a variety of cooking needs. From the 8 and 10 fry pans for your morning eggs to the 6-quart stockpot for hearty stews, this set has you covered. The variety ensures that you have the right tool for every culinary adventure. Oven-safe convenience and durability. The Simply Calphalon Nonstick Cookware is not limited to stovetop use. With an oven-safe capability up to 400 degrees F, you can seamlessly transition from cooking on the stove to finishing your dish in the oven. The hard-anodized aluminum construction adds to the durability, resisting corrosion and warping even under high heat. In conclusion, the Simply Calphalon Nonstick Cookware set is more than just pots and pans. It's an investment in a culinary journey. Click the link in the description below to explore the full product specifications and understand why this cookware set isn't just a purchase. It's a transformative addition to your kitchen. Elevate your cooking, simplify your cleanup, and let Simply Calphalon be the companion on your culinary adventures. It's time to bring the joy back into your kitchen with quality, performance, and affordability in one outstanding cookware set. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.